Hello, my name is Henry Salmon. I'm a realtor with the Comox Valley Real Estate Group with Roller Page in the Comox Valley. Welcome to my new listing in beautiful Buckley Bay. There's over 100 feet of walk-on waterfront property to enjoy, with beautiful views across Baynes Sound towards Denman Island. Enjoy the view from the cute, updated 1950s cottage on a sizeable 0.4 of an acre lot. The cottage features 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, laundry, and open concept kitchen, living and dining area. A gas fireplace keeps you warm on those brisk mornings, and the outdoor wood-burning stove is perfect for those summer evenings. There's an outdoor kitchen and dining entertainment setup under a wooden gazebo looking over the water. There's a carport, a storage shed, as well as plenty of parking. You won't get bored of the whales and sailboats passing by, and why not walk onto the beach and drop in the paddleboard? The final bonus is there's a private buoy for mooring up your own boat. So please give me a call or an email and I'd be delighted to take you through this wonderful house.